Hi, I'm Max Good, Director of Equipment Reviews and Keeper of the Flame at AmazingRibs.com. Welcome to our virtual showroom. And here's the Lynx 2 burner. It certainly is beautiful. If this grill cooks as nice as it looks, we are in for a treat. And it's hardwired. You got to plug it in. No batteries. It's a 3-position rotisserie motor. I removed one of the grates, and you'll see why in a minute. It has very unusual infrared burners. Again, the beautiful craftsmanship, attention to detail. Grease tray. Very solid feel and excellent fit and finish all the way around. Comes with a pan. We'll see what that is for. And here we go. You can see I removed the left grate, and you could see the unusual burners. There's 2 burners with 2 knobs. The one on the left is for the rotisserie back burner. It does have lights, LED lights over the control knobs, and 1 hood light. And while we're looking at the hood light, you can see this is another nice feature that I think all grills that have rotisserie should include. An easy way to get the warming rack out of the way. Now, these burners are something else. You have to hold the control knob in a couple seconds, then you put it in its light mode, and it lights in like 3 bands. And we're very curious to see how this beautiful and unique grill is going to work. I thoroughly tested this model. Scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. To find out more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit our website, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.